embracing the journey, climbing high, ever watching the valleys and hearing the breezes, and gazing at mountains far and wide. Gentle river, the sunlight flowing bright, bending branches, the water's moving slow, ever watching the songbirds and feeling the silence, and walking the footpath, so I go. Evening shadows fall, fading sunlight, the silence covers all. Ever watching the treetops and breathing the stillness, and finding the cabin quiet home, and finding the cabin quiet home.